This is a 1989 Ford Ranger. The auto show guy here with my pickup truck that has been sitting for, numerous months. Probably 4 to 6 months. And it does have some issues. It's an old truck. It's an 89. I bought it with 156,000. It has now over 200,000 miles on it. Let's see if the hood will even open. Sorry for the camera view. It still has a battery, which is kind of amazing because the hood latch quit during the last cold snap, and I had to pretty much disconnect it, and it took quite a while. The biggest problem with this vehicle right now is the power steering. I replaced the pump because it was leaking. I thought it was leaking. Yeah, it wasn't leaking. It was the power steering box underneath. So it leaks like a sieve, even when it's sitting. So after this has not been started up, and well, that's interesting. It didn't take too long to overfill. Huh. Well, okay. Let's see what happens when we start this up, because typically I'll let it sit for a few weeks, and even after filling up the power steering reservoir, it has no steering whatsoever until you work the gearbox around for a while, and that can take quite a while. Let's see how it starts. Yeah, 3,389. No. Ooh. Got oil pressure and fuel. Damn. Well, that's good news. How about steering? No, we don't have steering. Okay, so that has to work itself into the box first. So it has to drain itself out of the pump. Yeah, this is what takes some time. I'm planning on driving this tomorrow, so I'm starting it up today. After sitting for so long. Yeah. Oh. But that'll work out. And then all I have to do is fill it up every day with power steering fluid. But that's awesome. Oh, even now I'm getting a little bit more steering. Oh, yeah. Like I say, that's his biggest issue, but I was really thinking it may not even have a battery in it now, because the primary hood latch doesn't work. It's only the secondary that works. Not that I care, because I don't go that fast with it, and only having one hood latch with a hood that heavy isn't going to make a whole lot of difference. So, unless, of course, you're vandalized. But I wasn't. So, we're all good. Wow. Well, that was good news. Yeah, we'll work that out later. And even if we don't, I can just Armstrong it. Okay, well, awesome. This truck was cheap. What can I say? I needed a truck. I didn't want a big honking gas hog F-150. Just wanted a truck. And here it is. And so there we go.